This year we are celebrating 242nd birthday of our country, United States of America. Our country was formed as and has always been a country of immigrants. From the original settlement of pilgrims in 1620, from Revolutionary War of 1776, our country and our founder have always sought justice. Justice and equality for all, justice for individual rights, and justice for one's to express oneself with freedom. My name is Rohida Khan, and this is exactly what I do in every day of my life, becoming a voice of voiceless, working as a victim assistance specialist for Department of Homeland Security. I stand here with a lot of honor and pride to be an American citizen, working wholeheartedly for the betterment of our country and its citizen. I would like to invite you all to come and celebrate U.S. Independence Day with us at Cerritos Sheraton on July 1st. Thank you.
My name is Javed Sadiq Bhatt. I'm a civil engineer, a graduate of NAD University of Engineering and Technology, Karachi, Pakistan, batch of 1981. Being an immigrant and part of this American-Pakistan community, I'm honored to be also Friends of Pakistan Link. They are celebrating U.S. Independence Day on July 1st, 2018 at Sheraton Cerritos. Please come and join us on this auspicious occasion. Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abda Ahmed. We are celebrating 4th of July. We are very excited about it. It's going to be happening in Cerritos Sheraton. We will have lots of fun. We are going to have a fashion show. So I would really like you guys to come and join us in this program with your family. Come and have fun. It's going to be a grand program. It's going to be an awesome program. So please come and celebrate 4th of July with us. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Regualr Mahmood. I'm a housewife. I'm a writer too. I would like to work for the community events. First time we're celebrating our Independence Day with the USA and Pakistani community. The country, the USA we call home. Please do come and join us with funful evening with lots of entertainment. We are all looking forward to see you together to have fun and to celebrate US Independence Day first time ever in America. Thank you so very much.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Noshaba. As an American citizen and a member of Friends of Pakistan Link, I'm here to invite you guys on US Independence Day, which is going to be celebrated with the collaboration of Pakistani and American community, and it will be full of entertainment, comedy, music, and we would love you to invite you to join us and make this event successful. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mustaqim Sayyed. I'm a production director of a chemical company. On behalf of the board of Friends of Pakistan Link, I would like to invite you all to come and celebrate first ever US Independence Day among Pakistani communities at Sheraton Cerritos. This is going to be a funful evening with lots of music, dance, fashion show, and a lot of fun. Come and join us.
Please come join us to celebrate the US Independence Day on Sunday, July 1st at the Cerritos Sheraton Hotel. See you there.